Hi, my name's Paul Fisher, Scarlets Foundation Manager. We're here today at College Shigar, where we had a World Cup themed primary school rugby festival. Absolutely fantastic turnout that came from all the local primary schools. We had 21 primary schools taking part, all bring in close to 15 participants each. And what made it sort of extra special, as a festival, is that we actually themed we gave each school a theme as a nation, and some of the efforts that the schools went to to really demonstrate and support that nation was absolutely fantastic.
Wonderful to see how many primary schools are here today taking part in this wonderful tournament. Excellent to see how many children are picking up the rugby ball and getting involved in the game as well.
I enjoyed scoring lots of tries and just passing the ball, practicing and playing the games, and it was really fun.
It's great from a College Shigar point of view to reignite kind of the community link with the Scarlets. The provision today, obviously, getting 21 schools here, running this sort of World Cup themed rugby festival. More importantly from us, it's enabled our students, our level 3 coaching and performance students, gain opportunities to deliver sessions, to referee, to officiate, and also support some of the young kids in transitioning into the game of rugby.
It's been enriching here today, to see children from year 5 and 6, displaying fundamental skills, being able to catch and pass, evasive skills, spatial awareness, the use of footwork, the teamwork and the camaraderie, that that's been on display here today has been second to none.
It's been a wonderful opportunity for us as a school, and it's been great that so many other schools in the local community have taken part. It's just been nice, following, the pandemic, to get out into the wide open spaces again, to be able to, compete against other local teams. Our school has always been very keen on sport. But an opportunity like today also gets maybe not so experienced players involved and ignites a new passion for the sport.
It's really good to see at the minute with the working partnership established by the Town Council and the Scarlets. It's great to see all the schools in Llanelli at the minute representing their schools, coming out and enjoying the Rugby World Cup, and hopefully be inspired by the work we've done today. Hopefully the clubs will benefit, the community will benefit, and hopefully we'll have some future Scarlets players as well in the mix.
Fun. It's because I'm good at RWC.
It's absolutely fantastic today to see 21 primary schools here. Our aim as Scarlets is to try and obviously promote rugby within the Scarlet region, but furthermore we want to really support the grassroots, really give children opportunity to experience rugby activities, and furthermore then we really want to promote and develop and recruit players to our local rugby clubs, which is going to be the sustainability of the game moving forward.